Okay, we are graphing quadratic equations using x-intercept form. Our equation that we have is y equals 4 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. Our first step is we're going to distribute this 4 here and here. So our equation is ready to be solved through the rest of the process. Once you get that, which is going to give you 4x plus 4, and you have x minus 1. These are your factors. You're going to set the factors equal to 0. So you can continue to solve. Subtract 4, negative 4 equals 4x. Divide by 4, divide by 4, negative 1 equals x. And add 1, x equals 1. Okay, there's your x-intercepts. Easy enough, right? Okay, now we're going to find the average of the two, and we do that by adding our x-intercepts and dividing them by 2. And that's going to give you 0 divided by 2, and we all know that that equals 0. So this is going to give you your x value of the vertex. Also give you an idea of where your line of symmetry is going to fall. And it's going to fall right along here, right along the axis. You can't really see it with this marker, but I do 2 different colors that would show you. But this is where the line of symmetry will fall, along the x-axis, y-axis, sorry. Now, our next step, we're going to find the y-intercept of the line of symmetry, of the vertex that is on the line of symmetry. And we're going to do that by substituting the x into our x value into our original equation. So y equals 4 times 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1. From there, we're going to distribute. Actually, I'm not going to distribute first. I'm going to do 1, negative 1, 4, 4, negative 1. Y is going to give you negative 4. So y equals negative 4. So we can go ahead and plot that point on our graph. This is our vertex. So we have our vertex is going to be 0, negative 4. So cross 0, down negative 4. And that right there is the vertex of your parabola. 0, negative 4. Okay. Next step. Oh, also, before I forget, once again, these are your x-intercepts right here. You can plot them in 2 points. There's 2 points on your parabola right there. Negative 1, positive 1. Which is also how you know that your line of symmetry falls right in between the two for line of symmetry. Hence the name 0. Falls right in between. There you go. That's why you can check. Next, yes, we're going to solve for additional points. You would have at least 5 points total in your parabola. And we can do that by setting up our t-chart. And in the center of our t-chart, our line of symmetry, once again, center, all falls together, 0, negative 4. Fill in for x, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2. And now you solve, substitute in. Okay, equation, y equals, I'm going to start with 1 since it's the easiest. 4 times 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1. It's going to get you 0. This is going to get you 2. It's going to get you 0, going to get you 2. Times 4. equals 6. Okay. So for our next one, we can go ahead and graph that. These are always going to be equal, line of symmetry. These are going to be the same because the x values are equidistant from the line of symmetry, so therefore they will have the same y values. So we're going to do 1, 6, across 1, up 6, across -1, up 6. And we have 5 points. You can continue to go down and do your 2s. I'll do them just to show you. Y equals 12. See that? Y equals 12. So we're going to go across 2, up 12, across -2, up 12. And now you can draw your parabola. Just draw it in. And there you have it. That's how you graph a quadratic equation.